my channel. I'm Tamyia and welcome and thank you to all of my new subscribers. Today I have a Walmart fashion haul for you. It has been forever since I have recorded a Walmart fashion haul for you, and I'm so excited about the pieces that I have. I'm so excited to show you how I'm going to style them. The outfits are so cute. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first I have this 3-piece set, and it is an actual set. So we have like a little cardigan or lightweight jacket. Then we have this kind of like a halter or crop top, and then we have these comfortable relaxing pants. Absolutely love the color, and it is genuinely a set, which is the best part. It is by No Boundaries, which is in the juniors line, and I got a size large, and it was actually on clearance for $13, and I think it was originally 20 something. I think it was like 50% off, but it is so cute and so comfortable. I have like lounged in it, and I've done like a shorts and a TikTok in it, so make sure you check those out. But this is just so cute, and I'm 5'2", and the pants are a great length. Originally I had sized up to an extra large, but that was too big, and the reason why I did that is because I wasn't sure how the top would fit since it was cropped, but it fits really, really well. As a whole, all 3 pieces fit really nicely on me. I only saw this like an army green in my store. Also, little cardigan sweater jacket has pockets, which is so convenient. So as the weather changes, especially here where I live, this could definitely be worn out. Like for that early springtime. Really, really cute, really comfortable. Absolutely love. If you can find it, get your hands on it. They may come in different colors where you live. Next I have this denim skirt, and denim has been in since like last summer. Okay, it has been trending, and this one has a split kind of like up the middle, but it doesn't go too high. And this is what the back looks like. It's really cute, really stylish, really comfortable. This is high-waisted, and since it is high-waisted, I got a size 10, but I absolutely love it. Really cute, and I just love how you can style this up or down with like heels or even with sneakers, and I can't wait to show you how cute I styled it over here. Also, if you're new here, everything will be linked, the items from Walmart and the items from other stores as well. But I absolutely love it, and there's a little bit of fringe detail on the pockets in the front and the back, and it's just so cute. Yeah, let me know if you've been into the denim trend. We're entering spring, which means we need, well, soon. The stores will have you thinking like, what season is it? But it's coming, okay? You're gonna need that lightweight denim jacket. This one is from Tom & True. I love Tom & True's denim jackets. I get a size large in their denim jackets, and they have all the colors, the light denim, the dark denim, the white. I even have like I think I have a black and a pink one, because they're only like $20, so you can buy them over time. You can have all the colors, but you definitely need to have a light denim and a dark denim for the spring and fall seasons. This is just really cute, really comfortable. A million pockets to put all of your items. So you put your ID in here, and then we have our normal pockets on the side. Just really, really cute, and I love this particular shade of denim. And of course, we have our silver hardware. Get yourself a denim jacket from Walmart for $20, okay? Next, I have a couple basics to show you. So this one is a bodysuit. It's just a black bodysuit. I never thought I was going to be into bodysuits, but I love them. What I have realized is that they will snatch you on in. They're really nice, and they can just bring together any outfit. You can find you a bodysuit from anywhere, all of your favorite stores, and they're just really, really cute. And I usually get my bodysuits true to size, so this is just a black one. Really, really cute. Of course, you can style them up or down. And then I also have this white one, and it is more of a tank top, and it's just really comfortable. The material feels really, really good. Besides Walmart, I also like bodysuits from Old Navy, but these are just nice. get you the classic black and white bodysuit. This is a great transitional piece. This is a creamish colored jacket. It's a little oversized and it has silver hardware also. And then this is what the back looks like. And this is by Celebrity Pink. And this was originally $27.50 and I got it for $7. So yeah, initially y'all, some months ago, I actually had the denim one that's on here. But I was like, I have so much denim, I do not need anything else that's denim. So I returned it, and later on I saw this one in stores. And I mean, like, I don't know if they had them or if people just weren't buying them, but literally all of them were on clearance. And I was like, well, is it defective? Is there something wrong? I couldn't find anything wrong with it, so I purchased it. And it's just really cute, really comfortable. I think it's a great color to transition from winter to spring. Really, really nice. And it's like really good quality as well. Really, really like this. And then you have your pockets up here, but you don't have any pockets on the sides. But this is deep enough so you can like throw all your things in your pockets. And last but not least, I have this really nice sweater. This is an oldie but a goldie. I just love the color combination on this. And when I tell you it feels so good, it feels like it could be cashmere, but it's definitely not cashmere. This is by Beach Lunch Lounge, and this is just so cute. And I got this in a small, and like I said, I love the color combinations. I love the way it feels. This is really nice as a transitional piece and for the office. So if you can find you like a lightweight sweater cardigan that's, you know, it's a little bit more upscale look to it, I highly recommend. And this is what the back looks like. It doesn't have any pockets, but that is okay. And I also like that you can dress this up or down. That's all I have for this Walmart try on haul. I'm so excited to be making those for you again. I know y'all have been loving the Amazon and Temu dupes videos. I absolutely love making those for you. Again, if you're new here, everything will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check out those links. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.